Frank Combrell Jr. on the starter's stand. They're in the gate. Away and running in the Truly Bound. Dash of Humor breaks well. Alley's Vow showing pace. Lady Pegasus, Stormy Amber right there too. Life's Great running from the rail. Lady Pegasus tossing her head about a bit ranked there. Lady Pegasus to the first turn. Life's Great, Alley's Vow just out in front of Lady Pegasus. And Larry Melanson gets her to settle. The Furl Cell winner, Dash of Humor next in fourth. At the rail is Eyes on Eddie nicely from fifth. 2 more lengths back to Stormy Amber, being rated toward the back half of the field. One more to Delicate Dynamite, and no early speed from Ballroom Deputy running in eighth. The opening quarter, 24 1/5 seconds. Now under 5.5 furlongs to go. And Jesse Campbell has locked up the front with Life's Great. Life's Great leads Lady Pegasus, who keeps tabs on that speed. Alley's Vow right there third. Eyes on Eddie, probing up the paint. Dash of Humor, Red Cap up close to running in fifth. Then Stormy Amber, Delicate Dynamite, and Ballroom Deputy still trails. Half mile in 48 seconds flat. The field going toward the far turn. Life's Great, 13-1 at the off, but Lady Pegasus sizing her up now. 3 furlongs to go. Dash of Humor now coming with an ambitious run. Stormy Amber is out 4 deep, and Ballroom Deputy is picking up velocity. Green Cap 5 wide above the quarter pole. Right there, too, Stormy Amber. Alley's Vow shuffled, and Delicate Dynamite up for grabs as they turn for home at Fairgrounds. 3/4, 1:13-2. Coming down to the final furlong, Delicate Dynamite has stormed up to the front from Dash of Humor. Far outside is Eyes on Eddie. Toward the rail, Life's Great, and Lady Pegasus with no extra. They're coming down toward the wire. Delicate Dynamite jumps tracks there, but Delicate Dynamite home for Tom Amos and Gerard Melanson in the Truly Bound. Beating Eyes on Eddie by 2. Dash of Humor third. Ballroom Deputy last to fourth, then Life's Great.